What's up, everyone? So today I'm working on our 2020 Turbo S build here at my garage at home. It's nice to be outside. I've been home for 3 weeks. Man, at least I have this to work on, so that's pretty cool. So today I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Cognito front bumper. Our Turbo S Dynamics came with the tow hook here. So basically I'm just gonna pull this thing off. Pretty cool looking bumper. A couple things I should note about this bumper for the Cognito bumper is, one, if you have a winch or plan on running a winch, this is not going to be the bumper for you. This is more of your desert race style pre-runner bumper. I am going to modify ours a tad. So that's the cool thing about side-by-sides, right? You get to change them up and make them our own style. Cars look sweet. Check this out. All right, so that's the Cognito front bumper for our 2020 Turbo S Dynamic. First impressions out of the box, the craftsmanship is what you would expect from Cognito. It's really clean, it's very nice. It's well thought out, it's well planned. All the way down to being able to reuse the factory tow hook back here. You have light mount provisions already in here for all your lighting needs that you want to add to this bumper, meaning you don't need to put tube clamps on there. It's all right there. Pretty cool. Well thought out again. The welding's great. The end of the tubes are capped and welded up. It comes powder coated black. One thing I should note, again, I already said this, but if you plan on running a winch, this is not the bumper for you. It will not work with a winch. Okay, guys? So, one of the things I'm gonna do to personalize this Cognito bumper on our side-by-side is, once I get the side-by-side completely built and on the ground and get a chance to look at it, I'm probably gonna go ahead and drill these rivets out. I'll replace them with a button head style bolt and nut, but I'm gonna go ahead and powder coat this to match, which is pretty cool. Also, ideas when you're out there, guys, when you drill these out, you can also make a back bracket to flush in lighting in here if that's what you want to do. This is what they come factory. You get nothing. So we're gonna have a little protection on there. Let's get to it. Let's put this on. So there she is. That is the bumper installed. Went in fairly easy. I did have a little problem with the actual factory Polaris bracket that kind of clips in under here and holds the bolt holes in there. I had actually dropped in behind the diff when I took it off, and it kind of sucked. But I fished it out, it's back in. I'm not putting the cover plate back on because I want to be able to access and see my hardware. See all the provisions for the light bar mounting solutions you can put on. The grill still comes off and goes back on, so that's cool. So like I said before, I'm probably gonna go ahead and drill these rivets out and replace them and have it matched to the color we're gonna go with. But all in all, it's not a very big overhang, which is what you don't wanna see. You wanna kinda keep them tight and close. Looks really good. So some of the key points on this front bumper, it bolts right in. There's no modifying anything. You don't have to cut any plastics. It's well thought out, it's well engineered, has all the lighting brackets already in place. All in all, pretty cool. Really excited about it. Can't wait to get some lights on there. Not sure what we're doing with that yet, but more will be revealed in the next episode. You guys remember to keep following us on the YouTube channel, on Instagram at UTV Source. Okay, so it's starting to look like a pretty badass little Turbo S Dynamic. I can't wait to get out there and drive this thing. Still got a lot of work to do on it until I feel as if it's ready for its maiden voyage for me. And one of those key components are going to be a complete Rugged Radio's intercom system and car-to-car communications and a pumper, because I don't want to breathe the dirt. We've got a lot to put on here. We've got the 696 intercom kit, basically we just went ham on the rugged radio stuff. So tune back in for the next episode, guys. I'm gonna be throwing that in there and telling you why I think it's important. So see you guys later. Thanks for watching.